All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across to this YouTube channel, we are Brainybite tutorial. What we do in this channel is that we do everything. We talk about everything that concerns Jamb, admission, and WAEC and NECO. All right, so everything that concerns admission, WAEC, NECO, and Jamb. All right, so um today, if that's exactly, if you're a if you're a jam candidate, I want to encourage you, or I want to advise you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all the bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing updates just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. Because it's advised to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because here in this channel we update every school's update. All right, every school's latest news. All right, you don't even need to be panic about anything that concerns your school. All right, so we are here to guide you so that you don't make mistake, because uh, some persons might make some little mistake you make here might hinder your admission, so you don't want something like that. Okay, that's the reason why we are here, for you, to guide you so that you don't make any sort of mistakes, okay, that will hinder your admission. All right, so that's basically what we are. So I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that. But if you have done that, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up if if this video interests you. Give it a thumbs up. All right, so that YouTube algorithm will notify others. All right, so that they will send the video across to others that actually need this content. Okay, before I continue with this video, sorry for taking much of your time. I want to quickly tell you this. All right, so we have a WhatsApp community for our 2024 UTME registered candidate. Okay, so you can, however, you can be one of us. All right, so the only way you can be one of us, just let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number, and after getting to know you, I'll definitely have to add you in the WhatsApp group. All right, so that is one. And also, it is advised for you to be a member of our WhatsApp group, because we all know that when you successfully gain admission into higher institutions, so there might be some things that will be somehow difficult for you to get in school. So, and along the line, the money your parents will give you might not be enough for so many of us. All right, so that's the reason why we are going to launch a program that will help you financially next year. All right, so if you want to stay with us, okay, you want to benefit from this, just let me know in the comment section that you want to become one of our members. All right, I will have to add you on our WhatsApp group. As long as you are one of our member, you are going to benefit all of this. All right, so thank you so much for sticking with me. All right, so let me get right to the video. Okay, sorry to take much of your time. All right, so today we have University of Delta State. I want to rush it so that we don't waste time. All right, so University of Delta State. So okay, so that's to tell you that we are talking about University of Delta State today, which is popularly known as UNIDEL. All right, so after they just concluded Jamb UTME examination, some candidates came to me and were asking me the next thing to do, because some of them actually knows the next thing, but just that they don't really know when the thing will commence. All right, so now the next thing to do, for those asking me the next thing to do after Jamb UTME examination, the next thing to do is to it is a post UTME examination. All right, so that's the next thing to do, post UTME examination. However, the schools that conduct post UTME examination, it is your institution, of course, choice. All right, so some institutions doesn't conduct post UTME. What they do is internal screening. Okay, they will screen you with your WAEC result and your JAMB result, so to know if you are eligible for the admission. Or that's basically how some schools does their own. While some set exams and you come physically for the exams, you write the exam. Mind you, for those schools that doesn't write post UTME, that doesn't mean that you will not register for post UTME. You will have to register for the post UTME examination. All right, so that they will be the one to screen you. For the schools that doesn't write post UTME, for the schools that write post UTME, rather, you will definitely have to be in the school presently and sit for the exam, just the same way you did during your Jamb UTME examination, and sit for the exam. After the exam, you write and all of that. So I know some person might be asking, when is the exam? When is the form going to be out? Now the form is not out. So that's why I told you that you should subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notification, because as long as once the form come out, I'm definitely going to notify you guys and be the first to check it out. All right. So I'll notify you guys that once the form is out. And some of you will be asking again, do we necessarily need to go to school to purchase the form? No, you don't necessarily need to go to school to purchase the form. We can still process the form for you. The distance is not a barrier, right? So we can still process the form for you. That is the reason why you need to be on our WhatsApp channel. All right. So once you're in our WhatsApp community, we make everything easy for you. Not only that, we'll give you UNIDEL Post-UTME past question updated for free as long as you're in our WhatsApp community. All right. So we'd advise you join us. Okay. So if you don't want to join us, right, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications, because we are going to be updating every school's updates here in this platform, so you don't want to miss it out. All right. So I love you guys, and this is where I will end this video for today. So thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for being with us. All right. So until I see you in my next video again, don't forget I love and cherish each and every member of Brainybite. All right. So right. I love you guys. I love each and every member of us. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? So I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you and keep winning. All right.